Hello again, third grade friends. Today we are doing Unit 7, Lesson 8, which is on page 387 of our book. So in this page, we will be solving word problems related to fractions. We're going to have to think about all the stuff we know. If it's helpful for you, you can have your fraction strips available to use. I have mine here with me. And it's always allowed, to pull those out and make comparisons as needed, but there's more tricks we can do as well. Let's start with number 1. The shelves in Roger's bookcase are 7/8 of a yard long. Latanya's bookcase has shelves that are 5/8 yard long. Whose bookcase has longer shelves? How do you know? So we're comparing yards in both cases. It's the same size whole, right? Complete. Now they have the same denominator, so they're broken into pieces that are the same size. There are 7 compared to 5 on Roger's, which means if you have the same size pieces and there's more, then Roger has the longer distance. So Roger's, because 7/8 is more eighths than 5/8. Number 2, Rosa buys 3/4 pound of cheddar cheese. Lucy buys 3/8 of a pound of goat cheese. So in both cases, we're comparing pounds. Who buys more cheese? Explain your answer. So now the numerator is the same, but the denominator is different. So it's the same number of pieces. So we need to look at the size of the different pieces to compare them. So if you have a thing that is, the same size length or the same amount of weight, but you have divided it into 8, that's going to be less than half of a pound, right? 3/8. But 3/4 is almost the whole pound. So 3/4 is more. So Rosa bought more. 3/4 is almost 1 whole, and 3/8 is less than half. It's a little messy, sorry about that. Number 3, Martha baked 8/4 dozen. Ooh, that means it's 4/4 and 4/4, right? Because it's 8/4. So 4/4 is equal to 1, and another 4/4 is also equal to 1. And what's 1 plus 1? You know this one is 2, right? So this is equal to 2 dozen cranberry muffins, and Vera baked 8/6 dozen banana muffins. Who baked fewer muffins? How do you know? So, if you think about it, if you know that Martha baked 2 dozen and Vera baked, what would be equal to 2 if it's in 6? That would have to be 12/6. So Vera did not bake a whole 2 dozen. She baked over 1 dozen, but not quite 2 dozen. So Vera baked fewer. Also, if you wanted to compare, you have the same size numerator, different size denominators. 8/6 is smaller pieces, right? Because they're broken up into more, so it's smaller pieces. Fewer, because 6 are smaller than 4ths. Okay, number 4. Lester walks 3/4 of a mile to school. Bert said that he walks farther because he walks 6/8 of a mile to school. Is this statement correct? Explain your answer. So let's pull out the fraction strips for this one. So 6/8 and 3/4. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6/8 is actually, oh my gosh, equivalent to 3/4. They are equivalent fractions. So no, they are equivalent fractions. Number 5, Jack's family has a pickup truck that weighs 9/4 of a ton. Ruth's family has a car that weighs 9/8 of a ton. Is the pickup truck or car heavier? How do you know? So again, the numerators are the same, but the denominators are different. Eighths are going to be smaller than fourths, right? So 9/8 is a little more than 8/8, so a little over 1 ton. Fourths, this is a little over 2 tons, right? Because 8/4 would be 2 tons. So the pickup truck is heavier. Because fourths are bigger than eighths. Fourth is greater than 1/8. Okay. Number 6. Rusty painted 5/6 of a mural for the school hallway. Has he painted more than half of the mural? Explain your answer. So it says, hint, find the equivalent in 6 to 1/2. So let's do that. Let's look at our 1/2 here. There's our 6ths. So it would take 1, 2, 3/6 to be at the halfway mark. He's done 5/6. So he's not only done more than half, he only has a little bit left to go, right? 1 more 6. So yes, 3/6 is equal to 1/2, and 5/6 is greater than 3/6. Great. All right. Turn this page. I would like you to try the rest of these on your own. If you need some help, let me know if I'm your teacher or ask your teacher for help. All right, see you next time. Bye-bye.